Hey everyone, it's beginning of March 2026, and if you're an international investor, you're probably asking the same thing I hear now nonstop. Is Dubai still a safe place to put money into real estate right now? With the recent Iranian missile and drone attacks hitting the region, including here in the UAE, people are understandably on edge. Explosions, alerts, some damage from debris, and temporary chaos like airport issues. It's real. But let's cut through the noise. When things get shaky, it's not about chasing big returns anymore. It's about protecting what you've already got. We are based right here in Dubai, advising investors like you daily through ups and downs. Today, no fluff, no scary headlines, just straight talk on what's really going on in the Dubai property market in 2026 and what it means for you. What investors are really worried about. Look, most people aren't obsessing with tiny price swings. The real question is Dubai still a safe haven for capital? Because Dubai real estate has always been more than just investment returns. It's about stability, easy access to your money, tax-free wealth protection, and a global base you can rely on. When the world, or the region, feels uncertain, smart money compares options. And Dubai keeps standing out. I'm not going to pretend everything's perfect. The Middle East is tricky right now. Recent Iranian retaliatory strikes hit parts of Dubai and Abu Dhabi. Debris, minor damage, emergency alerts, flights disrupted. Without sugarcoating, the attacks were serious and have continued over the past few days since they started on February 28th. As of the official updates from the UAE Ministry of Defense after a few days of the conflict, Iran has launched a total of 174 ballistic missiles, 8 cruise missiles, and 689 drones toward the UAE. But here's the key: UAE defense systems have performed incredibly well. Official updates show stellar interception rates. 161 ballistic missiles destroyed midair, 13 harmlessly into the sea, all 8 cruise missiles taken out. 645 drones intercepted, with only 44 landing inside, causing some material damage, sadly 3 fatalities and around 58 minor injuries. That's over 90% success overall, destroying over 700 threats and protecting the nation effectively. People here saw the interceptions lighting up the sky, and instead of panic, most stayed remarkably calm. They trust the leadership and the systems in place. Official messages reinforced: stay indoors if needed, but we're handling this. Residents and expats are continuing daily life, trusting in the ruler and the government. Even during the peak, daily life didn't stop. Delivery services kept running, restaurants and shops stayed open. Yeah, some lines for essentials, but no shortages thanks to good stockpiles. Plus, Abu Dhabi and Dubai authorities stepped up big time, covering hotel stays and meals for stranded tourists whose flights got cancelled, supporting around 20,000 people until things cleared. No major disruptions to essentials, and now we're already back to full peace mode with no fresh attacks. But the quick recovery pattern is playing out again. Flights resumed limited operations from March 2nd evening at Dubai airports, with Emirates, Etihad, and Fly Dubai getting back in the air, a clear sign of normalization. From investors' perspective, that's shaken confidence, and brokers knows that some deals are on hold while people watch and wait. Serious investors pay attention to geopolitical risk. But there's a difference between daily drama and real long-term threats to your investment. History shows Dubai bounces back fast from regional stuff, as long as the core UAE stays stable and conflicts don't drag on forever inside the borders. Dubai isn't your typical Middle East spot. It's a global hub built for business and safety. You get rock-solid political stability, strong legal property rights, zero income tax, no capital gains tax, top-tier international banks, and unbeatable connectivity. But the real edge? Liquidity. You can actually buy or sell properties fast here, even in tough times, way faster than in many other markets. In uncertain times, that flexibility is gold. Even amid these attacks, we are facing massive transaction volumes in January and February 2026, billions pouring in every single day, showing capital still sees Dubai as a safe bet. The pattern you might not expect. Here's something counterintuitive that happens over and over. When regional tensions spike, Dubai's property market often gets a boost first with surge in demand. Why? People move money, families, and businesses to safer places fast. And real estate is part of that move. Right now, if things stay contained, no prolonged war inside UAE borders, Dubai could attract even more wealth seeking stability. Of course, if it turns into a long war or hits travel hard, things could cool. But short-term noise? Dubai usually handles it better than most expect. The pattern favors resilience here. What smart investors are doing right now? No one's panicking or dumping properties. Serious investors are just more selective. Prime spots, established communities with proven demand, trusted developers with good track records, properties with real long-term value and rental demand. Speculative flips? Cooling off. But solid strategic buys? still very much in play. With strong fundamentals like population growth and economic diversification, Dubai's holding firm, even if growth slows a bit from the crazy 2025 highs. When to actually start worrying? Only a few things might truly hurt Dubai real estate long-term: years of prolonged instability, major travel shutdowns, or deep economic hits. Watch for those structural issues. Not every alert or headline. With top-notch defenses, calm public vibe, businesses running through it all, government support for stranded folks, and flights restarting under trusted leadership, Dubai's resilience is on full display, no major infrastructure damage, and markets are stabilizing without global shockwaves. So, is Dubai still one of the safest real estate investments in 2026? Yes, definitely, if you're strategic. These moments test markets, but Dubai's combo of defense strength, calm public response, liquidity, and global appeal keeps it pretty unique. If you're eyeing Dubai property amid these tensions and want real, local insights, comment below or reach out via link or QR code at the end of the video to Vert Realty. Happy to chat specifics and share more tailored insights. If this helped cut through the noise, hit subscribe for more honest updates on safe havens and smart moves. Thanks for watching. Stay sharp out there.